We are plumbers, builders, engineers, and inspectors.
We are professionals. We are craftspeople, and we are codes and standards.
We are expertise, effort, and energy, and we are high quality.
We are hardworking. We are passionate.
We are housing for health. We are collaboration.
We are partners. We are community.
We are skills. We are teachers.
We are students. We are travelers.
We are clean water. We are sanitation.
We are healthy childhoods. We are together hope, a new beginning, and a promise of a brighter future.
It's not what we do, but it's why we do it.
This is Navajo Mountain.
This is the Community Plumbing Challenge.
This is another chapter in our mission.
Young